welcome to the Science of Sound Instrument Creation. My name is Tony Martirano, or Tony M Music. So this is video number 1 of 4 for our instrument making step processes. All right, so we're gonna today just look at our materials from our instrument Science of Sound bags. So let's take a look at what we got here. So let's see what we have here first. We have a cup, a plastic see-through solo cup. We have a baggie of rubber bands. We have a balloon, an uninflated balloon. We have a bag of rice. And we have popsicle sticks. So in the next few videos, what we're going to be doing is taking these materials and creating a few different instruments that we're going to use in our Science of Sound workshop.